We're on Miss Sonia's roof. This is the shingle that we're going to be replacing. And looks like this is the middle tab. I can see a separation right there. I'm already seeing some really bad aggregate loss to this roof. Going on 20-year-old 3-tab right here. This one's a high now. I'm gonna have to rip this shingle that we're replacing out because it went straight through the shingle. Get that high nail now. I'm already seeing really bad aggregate loss. Shingle.
Got it. Oh. You got, there should be nails in there, right there, if you want to use the hammer on the side. They're usually in that big pocket is where I keep the good nails. Yeah, in that big pocket, there should be a bundle of good nails too.
Go ahead and get an overview before I lift these to nail this in.
Oh, you can see the aggregate loss from here. Yeah, you can see the aggregate loss on those shingles for sure. It is apparent.
Trying to side drive these nails. Separation right here.
a good front facing view.
This is the new shingle. This is the shingles that we had to lift to remove the fasteners. I'll go ahead and mark the damage. I haven't even touched it yet, but I'm just gonna take my bare hand, gently drag it across here. Terrible aggregate loss just from gently rubbing my bare fingers across it. You go up here, I can rub that with my hand and might have lost 1 or 2 pieces of aggregate. It's not the same case right here. These shingles are far too old to be repaired. The only way to make this homeowner full is to issue a full replacement. Thank you for your consideration.
And this is again Sonia Bula.
Sonia Bula's house, yes. There's her cars, this is her house. Just had the adjuster meeting on Saturday. Thank you for your consideration.